Mazda's 2024 three-row CX-80 midsize SUV has been spotted in testing. This family SUV is intended for Asia and Europe as a replacement for the Mazda CX-8. While the Mazda CX-80 is very similar to the CX-90 sold in the United States, we'll also be showcasing an illustration of the CX-80 we created based on a photograph of the spy caught. Let's start, and don't forget to subscribe. Spy photos. During testing, we saw that the upcoming Mazda CX-80 prototypes all looked very similar to the CX-60 and CX-90, only the dimensions were longer. The current Mazda CX-90 has a wheelbase length of 3,119 mm and an overall length of 5,100 mm. This means that the CX-80 can be shorter than the CX-90, or it will be the same as the CX-90 sold in America. While the specifications regarding the CX-80 are still unknown, we can assume that it will have the same engine and transmission as the CX-60. This means a choice of gas engines, a turbocharged 3.3-liter inline-six diesel, and a 2.5-liter inline-4 hybrid plug-in with a single electric motor. The CX-80 will debut this year. Here's what we currently know. Thank you, and goodbye.